Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make nachos mince. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef, or a plant-based mince if you prefer. Don't forget your essential spices like chili powder, cumin, and a pinch of cayenne for a little kick. We'll also need an onion, some garlic, and a can of diced tomatoes. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Heat a large skillet over medium heat and add your mince. Break it up with a spoon and cook until it's nicely browned. Once cooked, drain any excess fat to keep your nachos from being greasy. Next, add your diced onions and minced garlic to the skillet, stirring them in until they become soft and fragrant, usually about 3 to 5 minutes. This step builds a fantastic flavor base. With the mince and aromatics ready, it's time to build those rich flavors. Stir in your chili powder, cumin, and any other spices you love. Then, add 1 can of diced tomatoes, undrained, and a half cup of beef broth or water. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for about 15 minutes, allowing all the flavors to combine beautifully and the sauce to thicken slightly. This creates a truly delicious mince. Finally, the best part, assembling your nachos. Spread a layer of tortilla chips on a baking sheet. Spoon your flavorful mince over the chips, then generously sprinkle with your favorite shredded cheese. Repeat these layers if you like. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and melted. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your kitchen clean after this delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.